Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to The Day Trader. How are you all today? My name is Martyn Lucas, and this is a live show. Every day I'm here for the opening bell, and this is the closing bell end of the NASDAQ here in the United States on the stock market. We are trading with our own money, and every day we have a community coming together to support each other and helping each other invest for their futures, pensions, all that kind of stuff. We do all kinds of things from Bitcoin to all stocks, ETFs and what have you. We have experts phone in sometimes and join us, and everything here is real. There's no clickbait. We're not trying to sell anything. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just investing in my own real money and sharing our experiences together. Here is my portfolio. I use the Robinhood platform. I bought in on the IPO a few days ago. I'm very, very excited about that as well. So please do click subscribe to my channel if you wouldn't mind, and like the video. First thing you can do is like the video. It's so important to like the video. It sends the correct algorithm to YouTube, so others join us. And the more people that come into the live chat, the more you chat in the live chat, the more great stuff that we can do together to support each other. So there we go. Fantastic news. It's great to be here. We opened the bell this morning. We rang the bell this morning. It's been quite an uneventful day, really, which is kind of good. We like days like that. Just got a couple of questions here. I hope you're all good. That's from Patricia. Yes, thank you very much indeed. In the live chat, I can bring up your comments. As soon as you make a live comment, I can share it on the screen. Right after today's show, after we're doing an hour show here, straight afterwards, there's a few minute break, and then I'll be back on my... here's the Day Trader. This is the channel you're on now. If you go down to here and you click on Martyn Lucas, the music channel, I do the drive home show, and we do some music just to relax with on the way home. This is the drive home show. There you go. And we do special requests. Today we have a request from Patricia and Alicia in Italy, and they've asked for Lionel Richie, Stuck on You. So there you go. That's what's coming up this afternoon on the Drive Home Show. But right now we're focusing on the close of business here on the stock market. And if you could click subscribe, ring the bell, and then like the video, that would be great. Right, this is my portfolio. Let me have a look at my stocks today, and let's have a look how we did. All right, this is how we're doing today. Let me scroll. So if you want to ask any questions at all, just go below any one of my videos into the comments below and ask me anything you want about what I invest in, what I do. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment. This is just to help you out and help and support each other. You're there for me as much as I'm there for you. All right, so these are my shares. Space, we had a little bit of an upturn today, which was nice. It's down just in the last few minutes. Tesla, it's great, up 11% today. Ford, I've got 100 shares of that, just down slightly. Apple, up today, just got 4 shares of that, up 1% today. Microsoft, up 2.48%. Amazon, down slightly, that's okay. I bought it on the sale yesterday, a couple of days ago, so I'm okay with that. Carnival, still down. We still haven't moved up yet. I'm hoping that we're going to see some growth from Carnival shortly. I've got a bit of money invested in there. Rolls-Royce, just flat today, but up 6%. The rest of the day just held flat. QQQ up 12%. VUG up 2%. TAN up 10%. PBW up 3%. Walmart pretty flat at 1%. United Airlines down 16%, having a hard time. Could be interesting to invest in United Airlines right now, if you believe they're going to come back. Coke up 4%, Builder up 3%. I've got 33 shares there, so I'm quite excited about that one. What else have we got? Oatly down overall, but not a bad day. We'll come back to them in a minute. And what else have we got here? MasterCard, McDonald's up 3%. What else are we looking at today? Boeing down 8%. A lot of the tourism, flight technologies stuff is down at the moment, of course. Harpoon is up a bit, but it's still down overall. And then we're looking at you. I'm going to come back to you in a minute. This is one of my great ones. Thrilled to bits with this. Let me put this in a new tab. I'll come back to that in a second. Really great. Love what they're doing. Hood, I'm finally in the green. Yes, we're finally in the green, and Mr. Love is very excited about that. Thank you very much. That's our investment with... Hi, Kenneth is back. Hey, Facebook, Dan Adams. Hey, cool feed. Come over to Facebook. We'll be closing Facebook in a minute. We only use Facebook to open up the show to get you to come over to YouTube. So let me give you the link. Okay, let me go over to the where are you in Facebook. I'll give you the link right now. Come and join us on YouTube. Let me put the link in there for you, and also put it on the Facebook page. I'm not sure where you are, but Dan Adams, cool feed, he says. Should we put it on the screen? Let's put that on the screen. Let me. There he is. Dan, come and be part of the team on the Day Trader on my YouTube channel. There is the link. There is the link. Come and join us. All right. Fantastic. Got your name on the screen. So there, we're saying thank you to Mr. Love, because we had some love today from of course, Robinhood. Great stuff. Right, carry on down. Come and join us. We'll welcome you in, Dan, as soon as you come over. Bitcoin doing okay as well. Okay, there's the general of my portfolio today. Over the day, look, we're up 0.25%. I'll take that. I'll take that. All right, thank you very much. Let me just... Awesome. Do you share live in both places? Yes, I share live in about 20 different places. I'm live in many, many places at the same time, but the most action is on YouTube, and that's where all the growth is, and that's where we are as a team. So come and join us over there, Dan. But yeah, I'm on lots of places. All right. Fantastic. We're waiting for Dan to come across. As soon as he comes across, he can like the video. What software do you use? All right. I tell you what, Dan, I'll tell you all about it if you come into YouTube. Just click on it, and I'll share with you my studio. Look, behind me. Here we go. There's all sorts of stuff here, and I'll tell you all about it. All I ask is you come and join me on YouTube, because that's the screen I'm focused on. Okay, let me go back to here and let me look at our iPhone app. There we go. There's the live. Everything's looking good there. All right. So let me go over to Google screen again. So, oh, there he goes. Light, thanks. He's here. I think Dan is here. There he is. Daniel Adams. Everyone say hello to Daniel Adams. Thank you very much. Curious what software you use. I'll tell you. All right. What software do you want to know? The broadcasting software? Thank you, Adam. Please do click subscribe and ring the bell and like the video. We're a brand new channel here for the Day Trader. We've only been doing YouTube now for a couple of weeks, and we've grown to nearly 500 subscribers, and we stream twice a day. We do the morning show, the morning bell, and then we do the closing bell. This is the closing bell, and then right after here, we all chill out on my other channels. Go to the Day Trader channel, which is where you are right now, and you'll see on the homepage, Martyn Lucas. Click on that, and we do 2 songs every day, a request show, and people pick their favourite songs. And today we're doing the first song is Stuck on You by Lana Ritchie for our April sisters from Italy. They've joined us. Right, streaming software. What do I use? Okay, the streaming software I use, Dan, is Ecamm Live, which then goes into Restream, a pro account of Restream. And from Restream, I go to several YouTube channels at the same time, several Facebook pages and groups at the same time, my website. I can go to Volume. I can go to Twitch at the same time as well. I'm also using it to stream to TikTok, and all at the same time. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, there you go. Anything else you want to know, just ask, and I will answer it for you. If you want a video made specifically about anything specific with the studio here, just ask me and I will make the video for you. All right. Now you subscribe to my channel and like the video, I hope. I will be here for you. All right. Fantastic. Right, let's have a look. This is what I was getting excited about. Let me give it a big. Let me give. Mr. Love wants to give, and we got a crowd coming in now. Wicked, great stuff. Thank you ever so much. Our record audience was 20 just a few days ago for the IPO for Robinhood. So we're up to I think 8 now, 8, 10. That's cool. We're only 2 weeks old, so that's not bad at all, is it? Right. So here is Clear Secure. This was an IPO. This was an IPO with Robinhood, and I love it. I'm up. I've only got 10 shares, and I'm up 55%. I mean, that's great. Here's the chart I'm using here. Let me take Dan's comment off the screen. There we go. Thank you. He says, like that beach, by the way. Where are you, Dan? Like that. Reminds me of England back at home. Very nice indeed. Yeah, we've got plenty of volume now. Look at that. A lot more buying than selling. U is going to be great. U is a company that provides secure passport control, security through airports. It's much more modern and cleaner, especially with COVID and stuff like that. It's a much more hands-on or hands-off type security. Love it. Really good. And I got in on the IPO. In fact, no, I didn't. I didn't get in on the IPO. I didn't get on the pre-IPO. I got on the IPO when it opened in the morning. So it was about an hour afterwards. So nevertheless, I'm up 56%. I wish I'd bought more. But there you go. I like a diverse portfolio. Don't get greedy. Spread it across all the different things. What else are we looking at today? Space, Virgin Galactic. I bought on the dip. A few days ago after the last test flight, so now we're looking to build up that before the next flight, and then this time I will sell. Last time I didn't sell. I made like $2,000 on the test flight, and then they devalued the shares by releasing more, 500 million worth of shares, and I ended up losing some value. It was my first sort of couple of weeks on Robinhood, first couple of weeks of investing, and I made the big mistake of being emotionally connected to the stock. Never ever do that. Don't get emotionally connected to the stock. See it as numbers. See it as just calculations, and simple really. But nevertheless, I didn't do the right thing. But I've learned that lesson now. When it's up, it doesn't matter if you don't catch the highest high. It doesn't matter. If you're up and you're happy with that, just sell and then buy in again at the next opportunity. That's what I did. And in fact, that's what I did the other day with Amazon. Amazon went on sale the other day because of the report, the financial report. It wasn't making as much money as they liked, and the shares went down 10%, and I bought into that. So I'm very happy, and now I'm only down 1%. So there we go. That's going to look good in the coming months. Carnival Cruise Lines still down today, but I'm okay with that. Well, of course I'm not okay with that. I want to see it go up, but I'm down nearly $530 on that one now, but 6%. But that's okay. I see good things coming up. That's a long-term play. I'm going to hold on to that. But the exciting news is, of course, and Mr. Love is going to say thank you. There we go. Robinhood, our IPO, is now up for the first time today. We're only just 0.68% up, but nevertheless, we are in the money. We're in the money now, which is always nice. Okay, if we've got any questions, hi, Leah's joined me as well. If we've got any questions, please do ask about any equipment that I use in the studio, what we do, what I'm investing in, and I'll be more than happy to share with everyone. Okay, this is the chart right now. Do you like my new mug, by the way? We got new fancy mugs. There we go. Look at that. New fancy mugs now. That's what I'll be drinking my tea in. Fantastic. But right now I'm drinking a glass of water, so I don't know what that's all about. Daniel Adams, where are you from? I know you came across from Facebook, but where are you from, Daniel Adams? Great to have you here. We have a very simple way to present the stock market here. Very, very simple. Clear, honest, don't sell anything, and I just share with you my portfolio, what I'm doing. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only entertainment, but it's real for me, but it's entertainment for you. Looking at Bitcoin, some news just come in from Bitcoin. We're looking at from the Senate's infrastructure bill proposal to record trading for NFTs. 5 key things that happened in crypto this past week. Let's have a look, because it's all about Bitcoin. It's my best investment, believe it or not. Bitcoin, the largest crypto. In fact, I'll show you where. Whoops, a daisy. I keep doing that. I will show you my Bitcoin. There we go. This is my Bitcoin right now. I've got $8,000 invested in Bitcoin. We've had a couple of dips today, but that's all good. If you look at the week, we're up. In fact, we're not up on the week, are we? We're down by 1%, but on the month, we're up 18%. We're starting to recover now. It's quite good. We've had a couple of 41s, 42, so that's okay. But I believe cryptocurrency, and particularly Bitcoin. I don't invest in the other cryptocurrencies, but I am very much into Bitcoin. Can't get into Doge. Can't get into joke coins and pretend coins and games and memes and all that stuff. Not for me. Just one thing only. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market value, extended its rally into the weekend. It surpassed, there we go, 42,000 on Sunday. That's what I said. And which was the highest since May. But its price since leveled, and as of Monday morning, is trading around 39,800. That's okay. That's what Bitcoin does. Remember, it's very volatile. But it only feels more volatile because if you don't understand what it is, if you don't understand what it is, you feel like it's a casino, but it's not a casino. Remember, I have never lost on a trade. Never lost on a trade, always made money. I've grown this portfolio from $5,000 to where we are today. I only sell when I'm up, unless, and I call it cost of business. If I've lost $50, say, for example, but I've got an immediate benefit to moving that money to something else that immediately takes up that loss and makes a profit, then I will do that. I call that cost of business, just like running electricity or, eating food. It's cost to live, cost of business. So, but I've never lost on a trade. You just don't speculate. It's not. I don't ever pick red or black, and red I win and black I lose. That's a casino, right? Bitcoin, I'll only lose if I sell it when it's down. It will go down at some point and it'll go up again. But long term, I think it's got a long way to go. The live chat's gone a bit quiet. Can everyone say hello? Just let me know who's still with me. You're all still with me, but just to wake up the live chat, to keep the algorithm going, can everyone just say hello? Just to make me feel like you're all still here. Right. So anyway. Let's have a look. This is important news, look. Amazon denies. Earlier on the week, last week, Amazon said, or someone said, anonymous contact actually said that Amazon plan on using or accepting Bitcoin. I'm still here. I have trades I'm watching. Good stuff. What are you watching, Kenneth? Are you out in the garden? Kenneth likes to trade out in the garden. I like to trade from my piano. From time to time, you'll see me. Sometimes when I've got something really good going on, I'll go over to the piano over there. Look, this is my studio. There you go, Daniel Adams. You were asking about my studio. This is my studio, and there you go. So sometimes I will actually sit down at the piano in the middle of a trade and collect my thoughts. Patricia's here as well. Hello, Patricia. Yeah. And Kenneth has got his way of doing it. He does it in his garden. I like that. Sat on his park bench, he said to me today. So Amazon denies report that it plans to accept Bitcoin as payment. They denied it. They would deny it as well. They have to deny it because they're not ready. It was leaked information. I still think they're going to accept it. I think it was leaked information and they have to now cover their backs. Kenneth says, where is he? Kenneth says, I'm on the back porch. Yes, I'm watching MVIS, waiting for the evening dip to see if it's worth swinging. Should we have a look at it? Should we have a look at it with him? Let's go over to it here. Right, MVIS. MVIS is the ticker. MVIS. Microvision. Let's have a look what you got here. Okay, it's down a little bit today. It's down on the week. It's down on the month. It's down the last 3 months. Okay. Are you looking to invest into this one, are you, Kenneth? Kenneth is our options expert. I've just nominated Kenneth as our options expert. He knows about options, and MVS has a long story to it. So if you want to know about options, I'm not the person to ask because I don't do them. I'm learning about them. I might at some point. But this is options. We've got Kenneth for that. There we go. Kenneth's on the back porch. Let me remove that from the post. There we go. This is the chart we're looking at right now. At least I'm looking at this one. I like simple. Kenneth has got more complex charts. I go on the not an options expert. Well, you're more than I am, Kenneth. And there you go. So you're my expert. You're my expert whether you like it or not. Fantastic. I like to keep it simple. When I want to invest in something, I look at the company. I don't even look at the chart. I look at the company. What does it make? What does it do? Do I believe it's a business for the future? Do I believe more people are going to want it? And if the answer is yes, then I buy in. Simple as that. And if it goes up by a reasonable amount, I don't care if it could go up higher. I sell and then look for another opportunity. That's kind of what I do. And some things that I believe are long term, like Tesla or Amazon or Microsoft, Apple, then once I've got a good position, I might just leave it for 10 years. So Amazon denied the report that the company would start accepting Bitcoin for payments later this year. Notwithstanding our interest in the space, the speculation that has ensued around our specific plans for cryptocurrencies is not true. We remain focused on exploring what this could look like for customers shopping on Amazon. But we know that they filed for a position for a crypto expert to work at Amazon and set all this up. And of course, they could have their own coin, and I'm sure they probably will. But I do think they'll take Bitcoin. I do. I think Tesla is about to take it. We'll just any day now. I think Tesla will accept it. And there are many places. If you actually Google who accepts Bitcoin, there's quite a few places actually. And there's ATM machines around where I live. I'm not very far away from Kenneth here in Texas, and we've got Bitcoin ATM machines all over the place. Anyway, Senator Elizabeth Warren continues to push for more crypto regulation. Crypto regulation is a good thing. We want crypto regulation. Absolutely. It's the most secure currency and asset there is. People say, oh yeah, but what about all the ransomware? But the thing is, you can trace cryptocurrency. You can't trace fiat. You can't trace cash. If someone blackmails or bribes you with cash, and then you dig a hole in the ground and you bury it, no one finds it again. The cryptocurrency, and as we know, the FBI have recovered crypto, and they Bitcoin rather, but they were unable to get the Bitcoin off the wallets, but they were able to track down the servers. And that's great where the currency is stored. They can't steal the money, they can't use the money, but they can recover the money and secure it. Because we know where with the blockchain, we know where everything's going. So it's great. Criminals get caught with crypto, whereas with cash, they run away and live in the hills somewhere. So More regulation is a good thing. Totally up for that. That'll really kick things off when regulation kicks in. On July 26, Warren sent a letter to Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen pressing the Financial Stability Oversight Council to coordinate a coercive regulatory strategy surrounding cryptocurrency. I urge FSOC to act with urgency and use its statutory authority to address cryptocurrency's risk and ensure the safety and stability of our financial system. I think that's a great idea. Warren also spoke during the Senate Banking Committee hearing on Tuesday titled Cryptocurrencies, What Are They Good For? She didn't watch the B word then. There she continued her critique of the space. Crypto puts the financial system out at the whims of some shadowy, faceless group of super coders and miners, Warren said. No, it doesn't. That's absolutely untrue. That's ridiculous. That's someone who doesn't understand what Bitcoin is. On Wednesday, Warren told CNBC's Squawk Box that she's skeptical Bitcoin will prove to be a reliable hedge against inflation over time. She's entitled to her opinion. I'm entitled to mine. And I disagree completely. Right. Tesla and Square. This is what I think, right? When the internet was developed, and by the way, Bitcoin is growing faster than the internet did. So think about that. Bitcoin, in its very nature, is the digital currency of the internet. Totally, when we think about digital currency, people will say, "Oh, well, I can use my credit card on the internet. I can buy something from Amazon with my credit card." Yeah, but what we're doing now is we're linking fiat, we're linking paper money, coins and stuff, with digital transactions. It's not a purely digital transaction, is it? It's cash that I know doesn't physically move anywhere. So it's a digital transaction, but it's not. It's based upon fiat, which has inflation, and you can print more of it and devalues it and God knows what else. With Bitcoin, it's a digital currency for a digital system. It's the whole thing is digital from beginning to end, and it's only got 21 million Bitcoin. So the actual value of each coin will go up as we require more money. The value will go up. So if you've got one Bitcoin today, you've got $39,000. Well, if Bitcoin becomes $1 million, your one Bitcoin is $1 million. That's how it'll go up to provide for what we need. But it's it's a completely different thing than just using your credit card over the internet, and that's what people don't understand. What did Kenneth say? They're just afraid the Fed won't have control of currency anymore. That's absolutely right. I was just about to say that. That's absolutely right. That is what's going to happen. Countries are adopting it. Businesses are adopting it. I'm now accepting it. Kenneth, if you want to give me a tip, my friend, if you want to send me $1 worth of Bitcoin, I'll give you my wallet and you can send me a tip. There you go. I now accept Bitcoin. You heard it first here. Martyn Lucas accepts Bitcoin. Forget countries and Amazon and Tesla. I accept Bitcoin. I accept it. If anybody wants to give me a tip right now, get yourself a wallet, get yourself some crypto coin, get yourself some Bitcoin. Send me $1. In fact, I'll accept any cryptocurrency. If you want to send me a Dogecoin, you can. Makes a difference. I'd rather you send me a Bitcoin though, because Bitcoin's going to go up in value, whereas Dogecoin eventually will die off when people realise it's a bit silly. Anyway, that's my view. Kenneth's probably going to go, hang on a minute, I've got Dogecoin, I love it. And of course, Elon Musk has got Dogecoin, but good luck to him. I'm not buying it. Tesla and Square record millions in Bitcoin-related impairments. All right, what's all this about? Nice, but I don't have a crypto wallet yet. I've got a couple now. I've got my Trust wallet online, which you've got to have an online wallet, right? So you can send people money. And then I got this today in Amazon. Look, there you go. Let me focus on that. The Ledger. You like that? That's a bit posh, isn't it? That's the best one you can get. That's the Ledger. And You might be going, why have I done that? Because I'm with Robinhood. Robinhood doesn't allow me to take my cryptocurrency off. It's setting up a wallet, so it will be soon. And what I'll do is I'll transfer money to my hot wallet, my online wallet, which is the Trust wallet, which I believe is the most secure one. Then I can send you, Kenneth, a tip with my Trust wallet. And when I want to, when I'm not buying anything, I can just transfer it to my offline cold wallet, and that's secured and buried in the garden. But there you go. That's how it works. We basically now own our own banks. If we have one of these, we own a bank. See, on here, I could have $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. $1 billion. Imagine that. Imagine if I had $1 billion and stick it all on there. Webull is the same. Yeah. Yes, indeed. I used to play in Dogecoin, but it was before it became popular. Oh, I bet. Did you keep hold of it? Could be worth some money now, isn't it? Yeah. Robinhood only trades crypto internally. Webull is the same. Yeah. Cool. There you go. So I'm all ready. Talk about ahead of the game. I've got a ledger before I can even have it withdrawn from Robinhood. But I just want to be ready. I want to be ready. I just want to be connected. Tesla recorded 23 million in Bitcoin-related impairments in its earnings report released on July 26. Because we now know. Oh, Kenneth says no, I didn't hold it. Oh, I bet you regret that, don't you? Oh dear. It's a silly coin, isn't it, really? But hey, what the hell, you know. A lot of people listen to Elon Musk. I love Elon Musk. I love what he's doing with Tesla and solar panels and the batteries. Absolutely brilliant. I love it. I love it. I love it. Anything that can fix our broken world, because it certainly is broken. Have you seen Europe today all on fire again? And it's a right old state. By the way, just so you all know, this is a very, 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 very energy efficient studio. This all runs off one 10 amp plug. Everything. And I have a solar powered battery pack down the bottom here. This entire studio is digital and LED lighting, everything. So I do what I preach. Okay. So let's read this because I'm kind of interested in this. We've got just a little while left to go of our show here. We do an hour show every morning and every evening, and then we take a 30-minute break, and then we're back for the drive home where we're doing 2 songs. And tonight we got 1 spot left. There's 2 songs every night. The first song is Stuck on You for the April Sisters from Italy. The other request is open. If you want to make a request, go to martynlucas.com. And I'm going to bring that up. Can I bring that up? There we go, martynlucas.com, and go to the song list, pick a song out of the book, and message me in here, and I'll put it in the show this afternoon at 4 p.m. Central Time. 2 songs every day on the drive home show. And then I'm back in the morning for the opening bell. Right, so I want to read this. I keep getting sidetracked. Tesla recorded 23 million. Oh, we said that. In February, Tesla announced a 1.5 billion purchase of Bitcoin. And by the end of March, the company said it investment was worth 2.48 billion. Wow, they did all right, didn't they? But the price of Bitcoin plunged more than 40% in the second quarter, which impacted the value of Tesla's Bitcoin holdings. Mind you, it's gone up now again, isn't it? It's all part of it. Because of this decline, the company was hit with a charge that dragged down its operating income. Square faces a similar situation. Like Tesla, Square recorded 45 million in Bitcoin-related impairments in its earnings report, the company said late Sunday. Yes, but that regulation and that situation is going to change. I've heard about that. Crypto industry critics infrastructure bill. Critiques in infrastructure bill. Last week, the Senate's bipartisan infrastructure bill proposal sparked concern with the crypto community after a provision of the package detailed plans to impose stricter rules regarding tax collection on digital assets. Initially, the bill defined a cryptocurrency broker very broadly, and many worried that the provision would include people like miners who wouldn't have access to the information needed to comply. We were talking about this morning. Me and Kenneth, we're going to become brokers, and we should be brokers, and we should also be brokers for cryptocurrency. How about that? That'd be good, wouldn't it? On Sunday, however, the Senate released its latest version of the bill, which clarified its definition. It passed the provision would define. Oh, there we go. I've just noticed the bell's gone now. We're now in overtime. We're now in after hours. In fact, before I continue with that, let me have a look and see. I like the after hour market is interesting. Always interesting. There you go. There we go. Up a little bit today. Not much. This is what Kenneth is looking at. Look, and we're taking a bit of a tumble there. And what do we think about you? I'm going to be holding you for a long time. Got a feeling about that. Tesla, Virgin Galactic. I will when that hits 50, 45 to 50. I'm not greedy. When it hits 45, if it's still moving, let it go. But once it starts slowing down or I see resistance, I will sell that, because I've noticed every time they have a test flight, it goes up, then it goes down again, because they're not making any money. So their next test flight will be in the next few weeks. So I'm expecting to see some growth. We'll go up. We'll get to 35. We'll get to 40, 45, 50 maybe. And then I'll sell and then look for an opportunity to buy in again. That's the way I'm going to do that. Tesla, Amazon's flat right now, and Carnival still down. In the after hours, Clear Secure still, even now in the after hours, there's some movement upwards. So glad. I knew this was a good idea. Unlike F45, did anybody buy F45 Mark Wahlberg? Oh dear, what a con that was. Awful. MVIS is a strange beast, and I decided not to play it overnight. I might VXRT I might though. Okay. So you decided to, so did you sell out? Did you sell it all? Kenneth, what did you decide to do with MVIS? What was your plan? What did you decide to do? Buy or sell that? I can't remember what you were saying now. And Robinhood after hours, a little bit of action there as well. So we're now Robinhood. We're up 1.4%. Yes, I'm up $13 now. Nice. Bitcoin just taking a bit of a tumble for a minute. 2% down, 2% today. 38. That's all right. I see when markets go down, there's an opportunity. If I believe in the stock, if I believe in it, then I buy it when I can. In other words, if Bitcoin went down to 20 today, I would buy some. Simple as that. But I'm not selling until I hit 50, 60. And even when I hit 50, 60, I will take $1,000 off the table to put into Tesla, to put it into Apple, to put it into Microsoft, stuff like that. I want in MVIS. He wants in. I was just looking to swing it, possibly through tomorrow morning. There we go. I wasn't in MVIS. I was just looking to swing it, possibly, through tomorrow morning. Okay. But have you decided not to? Are you passing on it? You don't feel good about it? If you don't feel confident about it, don't bother. After Bitcoin decline Tesla and Square count their losses. Let's have a look about this. Let's read about. There's Jack Dorsey. Look, some companies that invested in Bitcoin are reporting losses after the cryptocurrency plunged. Now, this is so funny that they've used this. This is typical FUD, right? What I call FUD. In fact, everyone calls it FUD, not just me. I didn't make it up. But Jack Dorsey is fully committed to Bitcoin, and he is fully aware that Bitcoin will fluctuate up and down before it sees its great highs. He knows that. So to use that as a headline, some companies invested in Bitcoin and they're reporting losses. It makes Bitcoin look a bad thing. That's all that is. Jack Dorsey knows exactly. And they pick a sad face. Oh, look, Jack Dorsey was surprised. I bet he wasn't. I bet anything you like, he wasn't surprised in that at all. Square said late Sunday that its Bitcoin-related investment had a $155 million drag on the company's second quarter operating income. That's more than double its first quarter impairment. The digital payment company revealed in February it bought $170 million worth of Bitcoin, expanding on its quarter October 2020 purchase. Hang on, let me just read this. That's why it has been fallen the past month or so. Yeah, absolutely. It's FUD. It's nonsense. That's my opinion. That's absolutely my opinion. What does Kenneth say here? I was originally in that stock. MVIS he's talking about. From 35 cents. What's it now? What is it now? MVIS. From 35 cents. I was originally in that stock from 35 cents. Whoa. It made most of my portfolio the size that it is. They have fantastic tech, but they haven't had a real income to justify the price point of this stock. Oh, is it? Well, Tesla's like that, right? Tesla's like that. It's the future though. Wow, you were in at 30. That's cool, isn't it? My flipping out. You were in right down here, way below this. Wow. There you go. You were blimey, you were right at the beginning, weren't you? When did you buy that? I sold out when it reached a decent size. Wow. Blimey, you would have made some money there, wouldn't you? 1,200%. We got the big guns in here today, folks. We got my friend here who bought in at 35 cents on Microvision. 1,200% up now. Flipping heck. Wow. I need to look into that one. You got me intrigued now. Microvision. You're making me think about it now. I'm going to put that on the back burner. I'm going to put that on the back burner and come back to that. That sounds interesting. I had 300 shares at one point. Nice. Oh dear. When it's that cheap, you know what I mean? You're 300 shares, it's just incredible, isn't it? And then it moves up like that. That's fun, isn't it? But I know what you said this morning. It's hard to work out when you exit. That's the big thing. That's what's difficult, is to know when to exit. But do you know what? You don't have to know. You only have to know if you want to get every single... You only have to know if you run a company, an investment company, and you're investing other people's money and they're expecting you to do the very, very best for them. All right? Then you have to get it right. But if it's just your own money, if you put your own money in the bank, you get 0.5%. If you get 10%, you've done really well, haven't you? Yeah, I got it was chart, Kenneth. That's all right, mate. Thank you. But if you get 20, 30%, these $1,000, these 1,000% like that one there did, I would have never have held for that. I have to be honest. And I wouldn't have kicked myself. I wouldn't have gone, oh, look, if I'd left it in, I could have made X amount. That's like saying if I'd gone out today and attended 3 network meetings, I could have got some more gigs and I could have earned some money this weekend. If I'd bought a lottery ticket, I could have won the lottery. That's all right. If you buy stock at 1 and sell it at 2, and then use the 1 that you've made to buy something else when you see the opportunity, grow steady. You won't be the richest man in the world. Who cares? All you want is enough to pay the bills. That's the way I see it. So steady growth, no stress. The digital payments company. So I'm going back to this now. Companies are increasingly leaning into Bitcoin as it becomes more mainstream. However, the world's largest digital coin had a rough second quarter. Bitcoin's price peaked at 63 in April, before dropping to 30 in July. Bitcoin was trading at just... See, I bought in at 34, so I'm really happy with that. Yes, yeah, never regret profit. Exactly. It's like now, isn't it? I'm buying I mean, think about Bitcoin now, right? My average Bitcoin price, right, is... Look, there we go on the screen. My average Bitcoin price is 33,599. That was a few dollars years ago. Imagine that. Imagine buying it for a few dollars, and today you know $33,000. You know, you don't call it a share; it's a coin, but it's like a share, isn't it? That's got to be the world's most expensive share, isn't it? 33,000. But it's just relative, isn't it? Because if it goes to 60,000, it doubles. It's simple as that. So it doesn't. It's just a number. But can you imagine being one of the first to buy a Bitcoin? You could have bought a bag. I mean, I've only got 0.2. You see it on the screen. Look, I've got 0.2082985 of one Bitcoin. I will never own a whole Bitcoin. I kind of like to. I'd buy one of those little coins, you know, the little coins. I'd have it here, little gold coin. But I will never buy a whole Bitcoin. It's impossible because I feel $8,000, which is currently nearly 17% of my portfolio, is a big percentage of my portfolio. So I don't intend to buy any more. I'm just going to hold it, which is a shame because if it goes up and up and up, I can miss out. But I don't want to spend any more money. I wish my $8,000 was $8,000 worth of Bitcoin 10 years ago, but that's never going to happen, right? Let's add this to the comments. I like your picture, by the way. That's very much like my spotlight behind me, innit? If you look behind me, see that? Look, look. I'm doing a Kenneth. See over here? I've got a little spotlight like that. Look, like that. I'm doing a Kenneth. I got a spotlight. He's got the same sort of picture. Any look? See that? Look. I had a friend who mined Bitcoin and wanted to give me a full Bitcoin. Oh, when it was 200 something. I was polite and turned it down. Oops. He offered you he offered you a Bitcoin for free. It was worth $200 and he was going to give it to you. And you turned it down. Yeah. Because that was nice. And you were being polite and you were being nice. The guy had got something worth $200 and you went, "Oh mate, you can't give me that. It's worth $200." Oh, yeah, I bet you wish you bought it now. 13, well, there's numbers around like $1 million in a few years. You imagine that. Imagine that you were that little thing, that little Bitcoin, could make you a millionaire. Thanks, LOL. It was taken years ago when I lived in Florida. Oh, yeah, took you a picture. Yeah, it's cool. It's very moody. I like it. It's very cool. I think that's awesome. So anyway, let's go back to the closing thoughts today of the market. Of course, we shall be back again in the morning for the opening bell. But don't forget, who's going to join me for the drive home show? Who is left in the live chat right now? And who's going to join me for the drive home show? So what I need you to do is go to this channel where you're watching me now. If you're watching me on Facebook, come over and join me on YouTube. Right? If you look on the Day Trader, here we are right now. Click here, take you to the main channel, Martyn Lucas, my channel there. And if you click on that, you see here, upcoming live stream, the drive show. And we do 2 songs every day. And we are doing, welcome, just got a couple of friends just join us. Please consider subscribing to my channel and ring the bell. Thank you very much indeed. And do me a favour, click the like button. Always that helps me so much. So there you go. Just join me for the drive. I may not be able to. I have a ton of after hours work to do. It's only 2 songs. It's only 5 minutes. I've got 2 songs today. I'm doing the Stuck on You, Lionel Richie. And then I've got a slot for someone else. If I don't get one, I'll do one of my own things. Just go to my website, martynlucas.com. Write in the chat what you like on any of my videos. Put a comment below any of the videos, and I will add it to the show. All right, fantastic, good stuff. All right. So closing thoughts today. It's been quite a good day. I've got my eye on microvision now. I'm waiting to buy a microvision. Kenneth Brunk has got me intrigued. Kofi, we are positive on Hood today, aren't we? Aren't we? Look at that. We're in the money. We're in the money. Hang on. Mr. Love is thanking them very much. Yes, indeed, Kofi. It's good to have you here. We are positive on Hood today. We are. We are very, very happy about Hood today. The crowd goes wild. I've got a little sound effect here. Shall I play it? Yeah, there we go. The crowd goes wild. Okay, maybe the air horn's a bit over the top. There we go. Nevertheless, I do. I am happy that we're seeing growth. Yes. Did you like the air horn? Did you? Yeah. I'll do it again then. That's especially for Kofi there. Especially for Kofi there. We made some money today, and we're very happy about that. We are excited about it. It's good because it's the platform that we use, right? You feel engaged with the platform. If I make money and I do more transactions and stuff like that, then Patricia liked it. Patricia wants the air horn as well. There we go. If you want the air horn, just let me know. That's because the Robinhood is up. We're all excited. There we go. But yeah, we're only up 1.3%. But hey, we were down like 10, weren't we? So I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. And there's nothing too shabby about that. I think it's going to be really, really great. In fact, if you look at it, it's flat. It's flat as far as the opening and closing. But I'm up 1.3% because I purchased when it went down. I made an advantage of that, so that was great. Indeed. I like this. I like the air horns. All right, fantastic. So one final look across the portfolio and see where we are. And our friends from Italy love the air horns. See that, Kenneth, Kofi? They love the air horns. You got to keep that in now. People enjoy it, you do it, and then you do it, and you do it until it annoys everybody, and then you stop doing it and think of something else. Oh dear, really happy with you, Virgin Galactic. That's recovered so good. The only reason why I should be at 50,000 now. I should be at 50,000. What's bringing me down is Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was at 40, not always. when Bitcoin was at 40, which I probably expect it to be there again in a day or so, I should make my all-time high of 50,000. And when we get to 50,000, I don't know. Should we do we'll do the party noisemaker? We'll do we'll do that when we hit 50,000. Yeah. Yes. Any thoughts on making a Facebook trading group? Yeah. Do you want to do it? Do you want to do it with me, Kenneth? Do you want to be what do you call it? An admin? That'd be quite good, wouldn't it? Yeah. I tell you what, that's a good idea. I can make it so when we go live, we're live on the Facebook group and page at the same time as this. That's a good idea. The Day Trader Facebook group. I'm doing it. It's a great idea. You ready? We're doing sound effects today. I wouldn't mind. There you go. Well, but you can be in with me, right? Yeah. So there you go. It's a great idea. Oh dear. It's been a long day today. I was up very, very early because I was up very, very late. So it's that makes no. What I just said there makes no sense. What does make sense is I'm very, very tired. That's what makes sense. Right. Here's something you can do. It's great sounds. Kofi loves the sounds. You got to have the sounds. Kofi, I really appreciate you, and I'm going to give you a really big applause. I thank you very much indeed. So what we're gonna do, we're going to end the show right now. Some of you in half an hour can come and join me for the Drive Home show on the Martyn Lucas channel. It's on the homepage of this channel. Check it out. And I'll be back in the morning for another new day. The opening bell in the morning. We'll see how we do. And one thing you can do for me, we're now getting a little audience, right? We want to get this to 50 people in the live chat. That's our first target, right? And then we can start to help and support each other. We've had some great people come in. And I'm going to do live video call-ins so people can call in and share their portfolios, share what they're buying, selling, their tips for the day, that kind of stuff. So that's coming soon. Excuse me. And if you like TikTok, if you want to see me on TikTok, my TikTok channel, my Day Trader and the Martyn Lucas is below in the description. Go below in the description and you will see a link to the TikTok channel. I just set that up a couple of days ago. That's brand new as well. So go and check that out and come and join me on TikTok. We have a lot of fun with TikTok. TikTok is going to really help grow our channel here. I'm very confident of that. I like the fact that Hood is selling the after hours. Not much, but there is. Let's go over to the app. This is what we all love about Robinhood, is this app. This app makes it really, really easy. There we go. Let's look. Does anybody else have the gold plan? I'm not sure it's worth it. See, that says that would suggest the share price is going to go down, right? Because there's more selling. But at the end of the day, you'll notice it's going up. So level 2 market data doesn't really help you very much. At least it doesn't help me. I have the gold. Yeah. What do you think about it? I'm not sure. It's $5 a month, isn't it? It's not a lot of money, but maybe now as investors, we should let them have it because obviously we want Robinhood to do well. They're making money out of that, so they'll continue. See, if we keep giving them $5 a month, right? They'll make more money. The share price will go up. So maybe we should just keep paying it. Maybe we should just keep paying it. Because if we pay it, they make more money. We get it back, right? Isn't that a ridiculous way of looking at it? It is, but that's the way I'm going to look at it. All right, buy and sell more stuff on Robinhood. Let's get the share price to go up. Let's do some more trades. Every time I do a trade, they make 0.0000001 cent off your trade. Level 2 is only worth it if you're timing a trade down to the moment. Yeah, see? I don't think it's worth it. There you go. There you go. Kenneth Brunk reckons we can save $5 a month. Ko-fi. We'll discuss that another day. We might do it. All right, I've got to get ready for my drive home show. I'll see you back for that very, very shortly. Go and check it out on the homepage of this channel. 2 requests. We got Stuck on You and one more. Let me know what you want and I'll do it for you. Until we meet again tomorrow morning, that's it from me. I'll see you back tomorrow morning for the opening bell. Good luck today. We've all made some money. Hood's up. Everything's up. Kenneth is on the fence. He's in his garden. Hasn't decided what he's doing yet. But that's okay. That's okay. We'll give him a big air horn. That's it from me. God bless America. God save the Queen. Take care of yourselves and each other.